I'm Eric Wise from Omar. Today we're talking about ball chain. The GCO ball chain is a standard wear item in the GCO as well as in the GC freezers, the Frigoscandia freezers. So Frigo chain is used in both the ovens and in the freezers. The Omar ball chain is universal, can be used in both applications as well. The Omar chain was designed specifically to be a longer lasting component, a longer wear component than what the original chain was. So the pretzel chain that is the most recent development prior to the specialized chain with the contained balls. The pretzel chain has a pressed in bushing and is a fairly easy part to manufacture compared to the original ball chain. Their ball chain comes in 1 meter lengths and is pressed together, riveted together, and a little bit of welding. When we compare that to the Omar chain is all welded. So these are machined bushings. They're not formed. They're welded in place. They're not pressed in place like the OEM link. They're all welded together, both sides, to make sure that we have a strong component that makes up each and every link of this chain. The Omar chain is manufactured in the United States. It's assembled and welded in the Omar Associates shop in Omar, Ohio, and is available in 1 meter length, is available from stock, and can ship to you today. It lasts longer, it's a little bit stronger, and is easier to work with than the OEM chain, and it's made in the USA. Call us. Our phone number is 419-426-0610, Omar Associates.